Alright, so let's talk about props and things that you can put in the maze. Now, these things are just pictures that I found on the internet, and I just at the last minute printed them out real quick. And what I'm using is dollar store frames. So they're only $1 a piece, and then you just print it out on your printer. But you know, these pictures really add to there being a lot of stuff in the maze to look at, and that really fills out your maze. I also put a lot of these swinging skeletons in the maze, like here and there. And you just take the wood stapler and you staple the string at the top onto a board. And then you've got your little skeleton there swinging a swing. And one thing I really like to do to all the skeletal stuff that I buy is where you age the skeleton. It comes with a really light aging of the skeleton, which usually looks kind of hokey and Halloween-like. I really like to make it look a little scarier, so what you do for aging skeletons is you spray flat brown spray paint onto your skeleton, and then you take a cloth, like a cotton rag, and you just wipe it off really quick. And you just do a little section at a time, and eventually you end up with this creepy sort of aged skeleton look that looks a lot more authentic. It looks like you just dug it right up out of the ground. Now, these dog animatronics are pretty cool, but the one problem with it is they're never set off, because in order to set it off you need to tap it on the nose. And quite honestly, like, who's gonna go through the maze like slapping all the stuff on the nose? So if you do buy certain animatronics and stuff, like, find out how they're activated, and if they have a motion sensor, that's good. Or if you can buy motion sensor or foot pad attachments.